We start with Mina Parmar in 2005, where the wife has to prove grave cruelty. Fast forward, and you see the courts starting to think differently, interpreting these laws more generously. And then bam, the big one. The burden of proof completely flips on its head. Now the husband has to prove his wife's reasons are unjustified. The whole game has changed.
Well, a more recent case from 2025 gives us a perfect example. The court found the wife's reasons were totally sufficient because, listen to this, she wasn't even allowed to use the toilet in her own home. She had to cook with a wood stove, her husband cheated on her, and didn't even visit her after she had a miscarriage. Now think back to the Parmar case where her complaints were called vague. You see the difference? It's a night and day shift toward protecting a person's basic dignity.
Back in 2005, the wife had to prove she was right. Today, the husband has to prove she's wrong. Sufficient reason went from needing grave cruelty to just any objectively reasonable justification. It's shifted from talking about a wife's duty to her husband to talking about her fundamental rights as a human being.
The law has finally caught up to the idea that a marriage isn't just about duties and obligations. It's a partnership, and in that partnership, each person's dignity and well-being comes first.
They're a mirror reflecting how we as a society have changed our minds about marriage, about equality, and about what it means to be an individual, even when you're part of a couple. The law is just catching up to what we already believe.
What's the next big legal principle that's going to have to change to keep up with us?